Hi, I'm Dr. Paquin from the Progenics Group, here to talk about viral variants. What are they and why do they matter? So what is a viral variant? All viruses are made up of some kind of genetic material, whether it be RNA or DNA, doesn't really matter, which serves as the genetic blueprint for that virus. This basically means that it makes a flu virus, and a COVID virus. One of the very first things that these viruses want to do when they enter into a host cell is make a copy of this genetic material. Now they make lots of copies relatively fast over and over and over again. And because of this, changes in that blueprint, which we term mutations, can occur. And if enough of these changes occur to make the new blueprint distinguishable from the original blueprint, we now have what we term a viral variant. You could think of this as in terms of building a house and having a blueprint for a house. You start off with the original blueprint, which tells you how many rooms you're going to have, how big the rooms are going to be, things of that nature. Over time, you start making changes to that blueprint. And so now the new blueprint has the same number of rooms and is still the same size, but it has a porch. The porch makes the new blueprint distinguishable from the original blueprint. So you can think of the original blueprint as the original COVID virus, and you can think of the new blueprint with the porch as the Omicron or the Delta variants of the COVID virus. Now, sometimes these changes don't really mean anything to the host, and sometimes these changes in the genetic material cause the virus to behave differently, meaning it can make the virus more infectious, which makes you sicker, or it can make the virus more contagious, which means it's easier to catch. If these changes in the genetic blueprint lead to changes in how the virus behaves, i.e. making it more infectious or making it more contagious, now you have what we term a new viral strain. So a variant is when there's a change in the genetic blueprint, enough so to make it look different than the original blueprint, and a viral strain is when these changes lead to behavioral changes in the virus affecting the host. So now you have a new strain. What does this mean for you? Well, this is why the governing healthcare agencies come up with new guidelines all the time, and also why you have to have booster shots even after you've already had a vaccine for the original blueprint of the original virus. If you want to learn more about vaccines and about boosters, please look for follow-up videos.